Hello, welcome to the lecture on Basic Civil Engineering Module 2 Introduction to Building and Town Planning. In today's lecture, we will be discussing zoning. Zoning is defined as regulation by laws of the use of land and buildings and of the height and density of building in specific areas from the purpose of securing convenience, health, safety, and general welfare of community. While planning a city, the area of town can be divided into the following zones: industrial zone, administrative zone, business zone, open space, residential zone, recreational zone, local administrative zone, agricultural zones. Here you can see the pictorial form of a zoning. Principle of zoning. Principle of zoning includes the following elements which are given importance while zoning an area: arrangements, boundary, existing town, flexibility, new towns. Arrangement of zones. The usual pattern of zone is in a central area, an undeveloped area. The other pattern of zone would be to provide block or unit for various use in different part of town. Boundaries. Design of boundaries for different zones should be carefully made. All railway lanes or a park or an open green space may prove to be satisfactory boundary. Existing town. While zoning is to be applied to an existing town, the information regarding the existing use of land is gathered, and as far as possible the town is divided into zones by considering the predominant use in particular areas. Flexibility. Principle of zoning may be rigidly enforced, but at the same time, care should be taken to observe flexibility in working out the detail for zoning. For instance, house should be very near to the place of work to reduce the time of travel. Similarly, the small shopping center for day-to-day requirements should be allotted or allowed in residential zone. New towns. For designing a new town or known population, the area required for residential, industry, and business are worked out with the help of suitable methods. The town is divided into suitable zones. Objects of zoning or the purpose of zoning are as follows: to lessen congestion in streets, to secure safety of fire and other hazards, to promote health and general welfare, to provide adequate light and air, to protect the value of property, to prevent over concentration of population, to facilitate transportation, water supply, sewage, school, parks, etc., to encourage the most appropriate use of land. Advantage of zoning. Following are the some of the advantage of zoning. Business or commercial area are separately located with their garage and service station at a distance from the residential area. Industrial area is located away from the residential area so that it is not affected by dangerous gas, smoke, etc. Population is distributed throughout the town by zoning, so there will be no concentration of population in any other or any one particular zone. Height of zoning. Height zoning regulates the height of building. Hence, high-rise building will not be allowed to constructs near small houses. The zoning permit the economic use of various public utility services such as water supply, drainage lines, and telephone lines, etc. Land in the form of recreational area is provided to use as playground, stadium, parks, etc. Zoning promote health, safety, prosperity, orderly development, and overall welfare of community. Zoning results into minimum chance of fire occurrence. If zoning is adopted, it results into controlled future development of town. Here you can see the difference or comparison chart of land use and zoning. Land use is the process of organizing the use of land to meet occupant needs while respecting the capabilities of land. Zoning is a collective property rights that allow a governing authority to dictate the terms on how property in certain geographic zones can be used. Thank you guys. Thank you for listening. Stay tuned with us. Bye bye.